Welcome to SEO Ninja. In today's video I am going to show you how to do on-page SEO in a Webflow website. So before starting to do optimization, you can make a short list on the what tasks you have to do a proper optimization in a Webflow website. Okay, so here I just made a checklist. You can see that. So our tasks are the following: keyword research, then meta title, meta description, open graph image, image alter tag, slug URL fixing, heading, that means h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, sitemap, robot text, search console verification, and submitting sitemap to the search console. Those are the main tasks of on-page SEO in your website. Okay, so I have already researched my keywords. I have my keywords in my hand. So here is my keywords. I used Google Keyword Planner to research your keywords, and another two tools, that means Oversuggest and keywordtools.io and something like this. There are lots of keyword research tools. Maximum of them are free. You can use any of them, or you can use 2-3 of them to research your keywords. So our first task is to research our keywords and find out the high search volume and low competitive keywords, so that we will get more organic traffic from search engine after optimization, after completing optimization our website. Okay, so I have already done keyword research and my competitor research. So while you are going to do research on your keywords, you have to focus on 3 steps. First of all, you have to find the high search volume and low competitive keywords. Then you have to research on your competitors, what are they using, and then you have to research the location. Sometimes some websites provide a local service, so location or place is the most important to research the keywords. Okay, so when you are finished to research your keywords, then you have to log in your Webflow website, and you will find this type of window. Just click on the page, and there you will get a gear icon. Then click on the gear icon, something like this. Okay, so after opening this, just you can make a note, or you can use some tools, something like this, wordcounter.net, to write your meta title and meta description. Why I am using these tools? Because these tools let me inspect or audit more about my keyword and something like this. You can see here, you can check your keyword density, your word contents, and details are there. So this is the very helpful tools to write meta title and meta description. And while writing to meta description, you have to keep in mind that according to the Google, we can use only 60 characters in our meta title and 150 to 60 characters in our meta description. You can see that I have already written, and it contains 51 characters, and I can see the keyword density here also. And here is the my meta description, and I can check my keyword density, my word details, or something like this. Every data is there. So this is very helpful tools while making ready your meta title and meta description. So just I will copy my meta title and put it in my title description. Here you can see. So if you know what is the meta title is, that's a plus. And if you don't have a much idea about meta title and meta description, so I'm going to give you an overview what is meta title. Suppose I'm searching Amazon agency service. So this is my keyword. Okay, so whenever just I'll search, I can see that there is a meta title here. The company which use the similar service are using this type of keywords. You can check. Here is the Amazon marketing agency services, sell on more on Amazon, seller, interactive, full service Amazon marketing agency. These are the meta title. Okay, these are popping up your search engine whenever you just make a search for a relevant service in search engines. And the below this text are meta description. So I think you will get a clear idea what is meta title. So I'm going to my task. Here's the meta title, and I'm using my meta description here. Make it already ready. So here's the meta description. So you can check that our keyword research is done, our meta title is done, our meta description is done. So next step is open graph image. You can see that there is an option to add a open graph image. Now you have to add your open graph image. So what is open graph image? Open graph image is a brand image. So whenever you would like to share your site in social media, your open graph image will be automatically shown. That you needed to upload image, then URL, your URL, no need. The open graph image will be automatically shown there. So this is the task of open graph image. You can call also it a brand image. So I have my open graph image. I am just copied the URL and I will add the open graph image here. So here you can see. So here I would like to show my metadata on my on open graph image. So for this I need to just put tick mark on the same as meta title, and here is also same as meta description. You can see after adding that you have to just click on save, and then the text next image alter tag slugs URL fixing heading label. Okay, then you need to just edit your image. You have to add alter tag here from here. Okay, so you can add custom description, and you can also add it from asset. Okay, whenever you will just add your meta data from the asset section, and this data will be automatically add there. So next, slug URL fixing heading h1 h2 for so for home page you needed to fix or edit your slug or URL, because for home page your root domain, main domain is your slug or URL. So you can edit your slug or you can edit your URL from other page, something like this. Here is about, here is the about us page. You can just edit here or customize your slug or URL here. Okay, so you need to do it for your home page, and after saving your home page or edition, you just need to check your h1, and keep in mind that you have to have only one h1 for a single page. Okay, you cannot use more than one h1 in a page. It's the instruction from Google that you have to have only one h1 for a page. Then you have to fix it. If you are developer or if you do it yourself, if you use only h1, so there is no task for h1 fixing. Okay, if you have over h1, then you have to make one h1 and others h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. Okay, that's all. So next task is sitemap and robot text. For fixing your sitemap and robot text, you need to go to your product setting, then you will find an SEO tab here, and one thing is there. If you use custom domain, so you have to keep this icon yes, because you have to make your subdomain disable to index or crawl. Here is the robot text. You can create a robot text so that Google crawler and bots crawl and index your data properly. And here is the sitemap, and if you have a limited page or if you don't have plan to add more pages, more blog posts or something like this, you can use custom domain, custom sitemap. And if you have planned to add more pages, more text, more CMS item, then I will suggest you to use automatically generated sitemap. Go Webflow generate sitemaps automatically, and you have to just put it yes, tick mark on yes, okay, button. That's all. And then search console verification. After that, you have to verify your site will Google Search Console. Okay, in another video I have shown how to do verify Google Search Console with Webflow. You can watch this video. And then your task is to just publish your site. Here you can publish your site, and after publishing you can check your data whether it's works or not. In our case, you can see our data is working here, and we can check our sitemap from here. You can check our live sitemap is working, and you can check also our robot text. That's our user agent trust DJLS, and our instruction is our robot text to follow our sitemap, and so that according to sitemap Google will crawl and index our data. After that, you can check your preview on metatext.io. This is a free of tool, free of cost. It's an open source tool. Just add your domain here, and you can see that your preview will be like this. Here is our Google preview, here is Facebook preview, and here is Twitter preview. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need any help or if you have any questions, just you can comment me. I will try to solve your problem. So thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Bye bye.